See her. Right here. Mama? Mama? Yeah, Mama. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. Hey. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hey, baby. Mama. Bless you. Bless you, baby girl. Bless you, Mama. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Bless you plenty, plenty. Here, ma. Mama. See my baby girl. Hey. Hey, girl. Who's that? Who is that? Who is that? Come on, come on. Bless you. Sweetie boy. Oh, no, let me see if your food is ready. Do you want to suck? You want to suck? Just tell me now so that I'll remove this glue. I don't want you sucking, because I don't know how I'm gonna stop you. Now we'll fight a lot. Skin is dry. Right. Yeah. Yes, Mama. Exactly. Yay. Yay. Let me change the water. Not aging. Look at see. See, it's wet. Your tummy is kind of flat. I hope if I give you food you eat though. I hope so. Mama. Mama. Hey, baby girl. Come. Come on. Come. Catch. See your legs. See your legs. Who's that? Is that baby? Is that baby? Hey, hello, Mama. Hey, hello, Mama. Woo. Please just take it. Eat now. Sometimes you want to, sometimes you refuse it. Eh? Why? Now you want to lash on breast, Bobby. You want Bobby? Eh? Do you want Bobby? Eat. So, see, see me so wet. I have to cut some pressure. So what do you want now? Hmm? You want Bobby? Mm. So that you stop. Let me quickly edit this. Edit this video. Guys, I'm editing. I'm trying to edit. Fry down boiled egg. Small cooked water. Mama, what you don't want to eat now? What am I saying, sir? Some breast. Mm. Soon your brother will be back. Hello. Hello, guys. Ooh. So you guys, I'm outside though. So she said outside. We've taken our lights. So decided to come out and sit. I'm here with our guests. Okay. Rexy boy. So that is it though. Jesse is inside crying. I've tried to put train that boy, I don't know. He wouldn't give in to it. And now he's 4-year-old. He still wants to make use of pampers. So today, I don't tell him. If he wants shit for body, make a shit for body. He must start learning how to use the toilet. Because now he's not going to use poo again. He's going straight to toilets. I actually bought that seat, those kid seats you place on the toilet. So that's what I bought for him to make use of. He does not even want to try. He doesn't want to try at all. I think they've tried in school as well, and even the woman complain about it as well. I don't know. So me, I'll take it upon myself. If he wants to put on his body, he should go ahead. So that's that. Alright guys, I think I don't have much space on my phone. Please, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share our video if you like this video. Okay, and for my old subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys a lot. So guys, please don't give up on watching my video. Try and help support me the little way you can by sharing, and ask tell your family and friends to subscribe to our channel, and I appreciate that a lot. Okay, and if there's any way I can, push my channel, if there's any way, please just let me know. I'll be grateful. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Hello, lovelies. Good morning. Welcome back to our channel. So we're here this morning, and how was your night? I hope you guys' night was good. My night was good as well. At least I slept a bit last night. It was better than whatever, better than I don't know how to put it. So guys, this morning I don't know. We'll be going to my mom's place because my mom is traveling to Bible. That's tomorrow, which is going to be on Sunday. So we want to go see her before she leaves. Because my sister's wedding is coming up on 22nd July. Yep. So we'll be going later. So since my mom is going now, she's going on time so she can make arrangements down. Then we'll be going on the 16th or even before 16th. I don't know yet. So we will be going, you know. But anyhow, whichever way you guys will be seeing videos of traveling to Akwa Ibom State, yes. And it's going to be my kids' first time of going to Akwa Ibom. Yeah. Let me see if I can wake Princess up. Let me see if I can wake her up on Bantha so she can start preparing for the day. Alright? So guys, see you guys later. And also, I don't know, I think she's awake yet. And you guys, you should see the way I was running from the kitchen to the room. I thought it was her voice I was hearing crying. I didn't know it was her brother. That boy will not give me an attack. I swear to God. You see the way I was running. Thank God I didn't sleep and fall. See the mother now. I'm not sure you can. I don't know if you can see her. That's all. It's dark. There's no lights. I had to put on the light so she can sleep. I want her to sleep so that I can just fix everything before I come carry her to go shower. So I want her to sleep a bit more. So I can just prepare everything, buy her clothes, make sure prepare for today. Because once we finish, we'll be heading out. I don't want to wait. I don't know, the weather is changing like it wants to rain. So I don't know. I hope it doesn't rain. Seriously. I just hope it doesn't rain. Okay guys. My mind don't cook too. Not be a lie, my mind don't cook.